Since you use VSDC for creating your content or editing your videos, there's something that you should note and something that is very much important if you want to be on the safe side. So you might ask yourself, does VSDC free video editor have the autosave function that automatically saves all the edits that you've done to your video? No, it doesn't. So how do you get yourself out of this? How do you make sure that you don't lose your work in case you have a blackout, or maybe your computer just abruptly shuts off? So it is simple. What you should do is you should make sure that you save your content. You can set it maybe after 5 minutes, which is quite a long time, but if you can do it after maybe 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, you will be safe, because in that case you may get your information back whenever such a thing happens. So how do you do that? Let's see it. So I have my project here, and I could lose the content anytime. Now, it would be a painful experience if you have created a video and then you have a power outage and then you lose everything, especially if you are combining different portions of video. You've worked on it, you've trimmed some sections of it here. Like if I had this trimmed in 10 different portions, properly positions, audio properly edited, and then all of a sudden I have my power off. So what do I do to avoid that? So what you want to do in most cases, you always make sure that your project is saved. So if I click on save project, I'll choose a location for my video. In most cases it just goes into this documents / Integral video editor. So I click on save that. Then every edit should be saved. Like I said, after every 2 to 5 minutes you make sure that you've saved your content. So once you have saved it the first time, it will be simple. Just be clicking on save project and then the edits will be saved. Like if I just resize this and click on save project, everything will be saved. So if you want to be on the safe side, click on save project after every few minutes, so that you don't lose your information. So that's simple. It could be very helpful to you, could be very important as an editor, because these are things that we can control and we have to find a way to deal with.